What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Discord password if you forgot it, so you can regain access to your account quickly. If you're already logged into Discord but can't remember your password, trying to change it through user settings won't work since it asks for your current password. Instead, you will need to log out and reset it. To do this, click on the gear icon at the bottom left to open the user settings. Scroll down and select Logout. Then confirm your decision by selecting Logout again. Now, on the Discord login screen, enter your email or phone number associated with your account. Below the password field, tap on Forgot your password. This will send a password reset email to your registered email address. Go to your email inbox, open the email from Discord and select Reset Password. You'll be taken to a page where you can enter your new password. Once you've typed it in, select Change Password to save it. Now, return to the Discord app, log in with your new password to regain access to your Discord account with the password you now remember. Note it down somewhere safe so you don't forget it later. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.